guys, good evening everybody. I want to talk about the video that I made concerning um Anglican people murdering Sunday. I'm not saying it to shade any church, no. Rather, Catholic and Anglican is the same. Yeah, it's the same. But I'm trying to tell you what happened today. Like, in mirror today, I'm trying to tell you what happened today. Like, I feel so bad. Seriously. So I'm not trying to shade any church or what. So for those that don't understand me, understand me with this video now. I'm not shading any church. Catholic and Anglican is the same. But I'm trying to tell you that if it's Catholic people, it won't happen. It will not happen. Okay? I'm not shading any church. So don't come to my DM and say rubbish.